Okay, boom. So, I'm going to try and put the new wheel arches on. I'm going to skip the prep, just because I want them on really. I can't bother this raining. Can't bother to go out and wash them and everything, so I'm going to try and get them on. Looked at a guide, looks fairly easy, just a couple trim clips which you need to remove. And it should just pop right off and you can put new ones on. There you go. Hopefully not too scratched. I've got the new clips to go on, they'll probably will break. So yeah, so the first step I think was to take that back, and then there we go, that in there, that trim there, that needs to come off somehow, and I think after that it should just be, I can't really see, but after that one it should just pop off, I think. So I'll just squeeze the top of that one. It's actually coming out. So there was a second one. There we go. And I didn't break it as well. So it's a bonus. Right, and then that. Let's see what we've got. So this little one went into that big one, I guess. So that big one goes in, and then this one just goes in to stop it moving, I think. Fairly easy to get out once you realise what they are. So I just got the plastic trim off, which is exactly the same as that one. This one. Oh, Christ. All over stuff now. And all of the plastic trims broke off. I think there is a way you could save more. I just ripped it off. I bought 40 more, so should be fine. So I just need to get those off now. Put the new ones onto the trim, and then I think it's just bolt straight back on. Christ, right, so I managed to get all of the clips off. I had to break them all off, and they're such a pain, and they make you, I mean, I'm probably doing it a bit of a cack-handed way, but you know, I'll scrape the paint on the bolts, not too bad. It shouldn't rust or anything, and it's only on the inside so you won't see it. They're such a pain, look. I've had to break them all off because these inside bits, these inside bits, they don't squeeze, so you can't squeeze them in order to just push them out. So you literally have to break it off from the cliplet. So a bit of a pain, but I've got them all off now, giving it a bit of a wipe. Not too fussy though, to get all the loose dirt off, and then I should just be able to put the new clips on the new fender and just bolt it straight in. Should work, probably won't, we'll see. It's a bigger job than I thought, to be honest. So it's on. Looks pretty good. So time for the test. Ooh. Oh, that looks sharper. Ah, it's a lot better, I think. Yeah, look. That's plastic. Ooh. Actually, it doesn't look too bad condition, to be honest. I expect it to look worse when I get it in the light. Harder job than I thought it was going to be. Yeah, that one's done now. So I'll probably just do the rest in the record when it's all done. But I like that. That looks good, I think. Just realised I forgot to record an outro. They're on. They look really good, I think. I'm really happy with them. The damage wasn't as bad as I thought it was going to be. After a wash and a nice bit of TLC, there's still some cracks and things, some scratches, but you can't really notice them only if you look closely. So yeah, they're on. They've not fallen off yet, and I've been on the motorway twice. So yeah, I'm really happy with them. I think well worth the buy. So I just need to do the side skirts now, which I think might be a bit trickier. I think they have a bit more of a faff to do, and one of them does need a proper repair and a patch up and things. So overall, happy with them, pleased. Bye.